Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing on 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. An espresso brown ginger beige MB Tex interior. Panel sunroof. Come around back. Trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of clean floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system. Brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Also included is our smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Navigation. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera and front and rear sensors. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE 350 has 37,159 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmannimports.com.